Here's how to add text to any surface in Photoshop. So here's, first of all, I'm going to copying this layer by pressing Ctrl Z, and now creating a new layer and selecting the text tool. And here I'm just writing my text and clicking on OK, pressing Ctrl T to enable free transform, and just I'm making my text a little bit bigger, just like so. Clicking on OK, and now right click on this T icon, click on select pixels. Now press Ctrl C, and then we have to deselect this selection. So click on select, deselect, and then just delete this text layer and create a new layer. Click on filter, vanishing point, and here just make a perspective line like this, and then press Ctrl V and just drag and add this text into this box. Click on this transform tool, and now you can resize your text like this, and then click on OK. Now right click on this layer, open blending options, and now adding this underlining layer blending, and clicking on OK, and here we can see the result.